is 24. We will start with the new idea that's called CalFAT. CalFAT. CalFAT is nothing but a method, a computational method. It's calculation of phase diagram. It's calculation of phase diagram. Okay, so this is how these words come in. Cal. What we actually do in a CalFAT, as you can see, it's a calculation of phase diagram. It is based upon Gibbs free energy. G is equal to H minus Ts. Right. So what we do here, we minimize this Gibbs free energy. We make this G minimum. Okay. So when we make it G minimum, what happens is that we obtain phase stability. Okay, we obtain phase stability. Now there is a workflow. There is a workflow by which we can do it. Workflow. Workflow में what we first usually do, we collect data. Okay. बात मत करो. Why are you talking? We collect data and we optimize the data. Now, CalFAT के बहुत सारे softwares available हैं. There is a software which is called ThermoCal. ThermoCal software. There is something called Pandac software, and few more softwares are available. Okay. So we will mainly focus on this one, Pandac. Pandat. Pandac. And all these calculations are based upon a programming language, Python. So we'll also see some aspects of Python here. So the topic on which we will focus on in today's lecture, we will firstly discuss the basics of CalFAT by taking some examples. Like we will take aluminium alloys. ये वाला एग्जाम्पल लेंगे हम लोग. उसके बाद हम लोग लेंगे दूसरा एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज टाइटेनियम 4 ALV. ये वाला alloy I think you know फर्स्ट ईयर में हुआ था फिजिकल मेटलर्जी में. ये गैस टर्बाइंस एंड एरोस्पेस में इस अलॉय का यूज होता है, टाइटेनियम अलॉय. और लास्टली वेरी रिसेंटली एक अलॉय का हम लोग बनेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड ज़ेंटिल अलॉय. Zentil alloy. Zentil alloy is a phase used in making thermoelectric devices. इसमें German scientist Edward Zentil के ऊपर ये वाला अलॉय है. So these are the few topics that we will try to focus on. Okay. So let us now. अच्छा, so ये जो CALPHAT है, there are some PANDAT software है, PANDAT, or it looks something like this. This is the symbol है, and it is Computherm. It has got some modules, some database, based upon some database. And there are some modules. So basically ये CALPHAT करता क्या है? It takes lot of data, experimental as well as theoretical data. Theoretical data लेके अपने store करता है. Then it involves some programming. So first one is data, experimental as well as theoretical data. Or based upon some modules, it does some programming. And what do we actually find out from these phase diagrams? We find out the phases itself. Okay. Suppose there are some desirable phases, there are some undesirable phases, right? The segregation अगर हो रहा है तो segregation and solubility, right? Oxidation and corrosion, mechanical properties, etc. etc. तो हर एक एस्पेक्ट के लिए देयर इज अ मॉड्यूल. ओके, सो वी विल फर्स्ट स्टार्ट, एक एग्जांपल लेके हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे. वी विल फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विद एल्युमिनियम अलॉयज. मैं तुम लोग को आई विल शो यू द स्लाइड्स एंड यू विल एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ एल्युमिनियम अलॉयज are basically they are used for casting, and they are also called wrought alloys. दोनों का मतलब पता है? कास्टिंग, what do you mean by casting? दोनों में ही हम लोग शेप चेंज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. सिर्फ इसमें क्या हो रहा है, वी आर मोल्टन स्टेट में ले जा रहे हैं, देन वी आर पुटिंग इट इनटू शेप. बट यहाँ पे वी आर नॉट यूजिंग एनी मोल्टन शेप, वी आर यूजिंग मैकेनिकल फोर्स, एक्सट्रूशन, रोलिंग, एक्सेट्रा. तो इसका मतलब है कि द एलॉयज और इसके साथ एल्युमिनियम के साथ जो एलिमेंट्स हम लोग देंगे, दे विल हैव अ सिग्निफिकेंट रोल टू प्ले. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर इज अ फेज कॉल्ड बीटा ALFESR. This phase. This phase is an undesirable phase. This is undesirable. Why is it undesirable? Because there is loss in ductility. In ductile, there is loss in ductility. मुझे अगर शेप चेंज करना है तो इट हैज टू बी डक्टाइल, ठीक है ना, डक्टिलिटी. तो if this sort of phase is arising, then what is the solution? Solution comes in the form of manganese. मैं अगर इसमें मैंगनीज डाल देता हूँ Mn, तो क्या हो जाता है? It actually suppresses बीटा फॉर्मेशन, इसको सप्रेस करता है, suppresses this beta AlFeSi. उसके जगह पे instead it promotes the alpha part of it. It promotes alpha AlFeSi. अच्छा, now ये जो फेज फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, ये फेज फॉर्मेशन कब हो रहा है? When there is a solidification. हम लोगों ने alloy बना दिया, then we need to solidify the alloy. During solidification, if in the grain boundaries, so ध्यान से सुनो, if in the grain boundaries there is formation of, or there is a formation of intermetallics, or phases जिसका कि melting point is low at the grain boundaries. At the grain boundaries we have intermetallics or phases जिसका कि melting point कम है, तो इसमें the final product is susceptible to cracking. Solidified form, liquid से जब solid बना, ठीक है. So this susceptibility in cracking, इसका there is an index. There is an index इसको बोलते हैं CSI. We call this as crack susceptibility index. So this crack susceptibility index again can be determined from the CalFat. CalFat से हम इसका crack susceptibility index find out कर सकते हैं. अच्छा, why does this crack will take place? जैसे कि मैंने कहा है कि melting temperature अगर grain boundary में कम हो तो crack develop होगा. इसका कारण है कि when there is मान लो there is a molten state, ये वाला and यहाँ से it is getting converted into solid state. ये मान लो solid state है. It's like cooling a zip, है ना? यहाँ से क्या हो रहा है कि from this molten state ये धीरे-धीरे solid state में conform होगा. So as it is converting from a liquid or molten state to solid state, there is some amount of stress getting generated. Okay. And the stress should be such that the remaining जो liquid state है that should accommodate that stress. मतलब solid से जैसे liquid बना, material में stress develop हुआ, जो remaining liquid state है, मतलब ये धीरे-धीरे इसका जो area है कम होता है यहाँ पे. So if it is not able to withstand this sort of stress due to formation of the intermetallics, then यहाँ पे ऐसे crack. ये बेसिकली हम लोग कहते हैं जब वेल्डिंग हो रहा है ना, then this sort of cracks appear. I will show you the picture exact, then you will be able to understand. So this ये जो CSI है, this again, what is the CSI? CSI is the crack susceptibility index. ये depend करता है the amount of eutectic phases formed. Actually it depends upon two things. First of all, the कितना concentrate ये वाला इसका जो कितना amount है. दूसरा है there is something called solidus. ये वाला term have you heard? Solidus and liquidus. Have you heard about these two terms? Solidus मतलब starting to solidify and liquidus मतलब solidification of TL. So TS, there is a TS and there is a TL. There is a TS and there is a TL, and so corresponding to that there will be a CS and CL concentration of material in the solid state or concentration of material in the liquid state, and they will be associated by a constant called partition constant K equal to the ratio of these two at equilibrium. This ये जो वैल्यू है ये चीज नहीं होता. Now एक मॉडल तुम लोग देखोगे, जैसे मैंने हम लोग PANDAT एक सॉफ्टवेयर है, इसका एक मॉड्यूल है. इट यूजेस मॉडल उसको हम बोलते हैं शाइल-गुलिनबर्ग मॉडल. What is the Shail-Guliberg model? Shail-Guliberg. Shail-Guliberg model. ये मॉडल बोल रहा है कि the solid state, liquid state is again equal to one minus Fs K minus 1. One minus Fs K is minus 1. Now, what is this Fs? ये वाला important one. Fs is the fraction